Our country has been hit by a pandemic in recent years. Several cases of increased victims due to the pandemic continue to grow. Several policies have also been regulated by the government, and the public is obliged to comply with rules that have been set with the aim of reducing the number of victims of the pandemic and stopping the pandemic, such as social distancing by staying away from crowds, washing hands diligently, and especially wearing masks when outdoors. This regulation affects several aspects of people's lives, especially in this country, Indonesia. From the aspect of education, economy, social, etc., this regulation is impacted because many of these aspects carry out their activity by gathering with many people. For example, some schools are forced to carry out their teaching and learning activities online, etc. From economic aspect, shopping is tradition carried out by Muslim when approaching Eid al-Fitr. They will usually buy some groceries to make a delicious cake, and they will also buy new clothes to wear on the day of Eid al-Fitr. But these activities were hindered by the pandemic in Indonesia. Especially, usually they will buy some items at malls or other stores. They have to stay at home to avoid contact with outsiders that prevent the spread of the virus. So, how they gonna to buy their necessities on Eid al-Fitr in the pandemic era? With online shopping sites, it is easier for people to buy the goods they need without leaving their homes. Many people use online shopping sites before the pandemic hit. Online shopping was already in demand by the public, but with this pandemic, many people are turning to online shopping. The features used in online shopping sites are also easy to access. They just need to choose which shopping site they want and search for the items they need. People can also choose what they like if there are goods that have several variants, and they can also adjust it to the desired price. Even so, there are still many people who go to store directly to buy goods during the pandemic. Indeed, online shopping has several drawbacks, and with that, people choose to shop at direct stores rather than online shopping. Cases fraud of mismatch of goods also often occurred on online shopping sites.
Selamat siang. Namanya siapa?
Selamat siang juga, nama saya Aisyah.
Aslinya dari mana?
Saya asli Banyuwangi.
Ini saya mau tanya beberapa pertanyaan. Biasanya kalau misalnya belanja baju itu online apa offline?
Tergantung sih, kalau misalnya mood beli yang offline ya keluar rumah beli offline, tapi kalau misalnya pengen online ya beli online.
Kan kemarin ini Idul Fitri ya. Kalau misalnya Idul Fitri itu biasanya beli baju baru atau enggak?
Biasanya sih ya,
Menurutmu penting nggak beli baju baru pas Idul Fitri itu? Terus kenapa?
kalau penting sih nggak terlalu penting. Cuma ya kalau aku sih tetap beli, soalnya emang kayak tiap Idul Fitri tuh beli baju gitu, kan kapan lagi.
Terus kalau di era pandemi ini Idul Fitri kalau misalnya mau belanja baju itu gimana?
Kalau aku pandemi awal ya belanja bajunya online. Tapi karena sekarang pandeminya udah agak reda, jadi ya kita datang ke tokonya.
Menurutmu belanja langsung ke toko atau belanja online mana yang lebih efektif dan kenapa?
Menurut itu ada plus minusnya sendiri ya. Kalau misalnya kita beli offline itu bisa tahu langsung bahan produk yang pengen kita beli itu gimana. Tapi kalau misalnya online itu enaknya kita bisa tinggal sesuatu aja dari rumah, terus pilihannya kan juga beragam macam dari beberapa toko. Tapi minusnya kadang yang ekspektasinya tidak sesuai ekspektasi gitu.
Terus
Jadi ya mending beli offline.
terus kalau pas masih era pandemi gini orang-orang sering pergi ke tokonya langsung atau enggak? Atau kamu sendiri juga masih sering ke toko langsung walaupun ada pandemi?
Kalau saya sih ya, waktu awal-awal pandemi itu nggak terlalu sering. Soalnya kan masih ada protokol kesehatan, gitu menjaga jarak dan lain. Jadi saya nggak sering keluar ke tokonya. Tapi karena sekarang pandeminya udah reda dan juga banyak orang yang memilih untuk membeli secara offline ya, saya juga keluar buat beli barangnya secara offline daripada belanja online.
Oh, baik. Terima kasih. Selamat melanjutkan aktivitas.
Ya, terima kasih kembali.
So people do their shopping for Eid al-Fitr online through online shopping sites, and some people keep going to buy their necessities in direct stores. But for now, government has allowed them to take off masks, which means the pandemic in Indonesia has started to subside.